2020 saw a ton of new gardeners, almost 16 million across the United States. One of the things that we like to do on Backyard Farmer is help you succeed at gardening and give you the best advice possible with that science base. One of the things that we really like to see when new people start gardening is the success that they have. One way to succeed in gardening is to actually install raised beds. Raised beds can be pretty much anything that's going to lift the soil up. You can have wood, you can have stone, you can have huge containers like a used galvanized water tub that you had used for your animals. So really anything will work. As you can see here, I have two different examples. This is my own backyard. I am replacing the old ones with some new ones. I'm using a mix of wood and galvanized roof shingles to kind of help extend the life of my wood. One of the other things that benefits raised beds is that your growing season extends. You can install some hoops and some plastic. You can make some mini low tunnels on your beds, which will extend the growing season both earlier in the spring and later in the fall. Put those greens in the bed in March and you'll have radishes and lettuces well earlier than anybody else. Or you can extend it further into the fall and have fresh lettuce on your Thanksgiving table. There are lots of different ways to build these. As you can see, this one is built just by using 4x4s and 2x6s and the galvanized. You can control the soil. The best kind of mix for raised beds is about a 60-40 mix of compost to topsoil. So raised beds are a way that you can succeed at gardening. So try a raised bed, whether you buy a kit, you build it from scratch, or use something that you have already on hand. Raised beds will definitely help you succeed in your gardening.